again. I'm here. I just installed my TV yesterday. So yeah, here's my TV. I have Connie in the background. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have this TV as my background for now. See how it is. Yeah, I hope it's bright enough here. But yeah, I might get like more lights. I might get a light to make it brighter. But yeah, today I have a unboxing kind of. I got black Air Force Ones. The box is right here. Wait, let me scooch back a bit. I'm on my bed. Yeah, and then I got them from Champs actually, because Nike.com is always out of stock. Just always out of stock. So yeah, got it. I got them, and I also got the plain ones, but then yeah. So this is the box, a standard Air Force One box. Yeah, wait. Let me take a little thumbnail. Gotta look. Okay. Wait a second. Pull my shirt, and then is my shirt good, guys? You guys, is my shirt good? Okay. Wait, actually, I should probably take this with the shoes. Anyways, I tried them on already. I haven't pulled them out of the house yet, but here they are. Eee! They're the black on black Air Force Ones, and these are actually kind of hard to find at the moment because they're, I would say, a hype sneaker at the moment. Even though they've been around for a long time, and even though, yeah, just the black on black colorway, I love them so much. I don't like how brand new Air Force Ones look. I think they look kind of plasticky, so I have where to like crease them and get them a bit, you know, worn in. And these are the women's Air Force Ones. Yeah, and they fit exactly like the white ones. Okay. And now, second. I think like that, like this. I think like this is good. I like. So yeah, I have a lot to say about these. I will show you the side of the box. 6.5 women's. I am a 5. I will leave my sizes down below. I am a 6.5 W in Air Force Ones. In J's, I am a 5.5 Y or 5.5 men's. Yeah. So yeah, that is that. These are the Air Forces. I'm super excited about it. Yeah. also show you how they look on feet as well. I guess I can talk a bit more about them since you guys clicked on the video. Yeah, just the standard leather, and then there's the Air Force One tag on the front. Yeah, and for some reason the leather is like sparkly for some reason. Like, I don't really know why. It's like sparkly. So yeah,